Can we get it together or no? Like, please.
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in this a show. Walking in this a show. Flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ashanterene. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified every time that I post a new video. For today's video, it's gonna be about hair, how to get rid of dry scalp, how to get rid of dandruff, things to prevent it and stuff like that. I'll be showing you guys my routine and things and products that I use in my hair to get rid of dry scalp. If you're like me, I've had dry scalp for a number of years, and I'll be showing you some things that I use in my hair to kind of like tone it down just a little bit. I just took my freaking braids out. I had knotless braids in my hair for about a month, a little over a month, and I just took them out. My freaking head is itchy as hell. So, and I have like a lot of product buildup, which I will be showing you. It is disgusting. It is definitely a lot of product buildup, and I have a super dry scalp. So I'll be showing you guys the things that I use in my hair, shampoo and conditioner wise, and the aftermath of everything. So if you're into this type of video, make sure you watch the whole thing through, and I'll see you guys when I'm arranged, or I don't know. All right guys, so before I get in the shower, I'm gonna be showing you guys my shampoo and conditioner that I use. I usually use Aussie, the moist one, for the conditioner, and then I will use the Total Miracle for shampoo, or other way around. All right, what's up everybody? I am freshly out the shower. I have brushed my hair and I put some Blue Magic grease in my hair. I haven't put anything on the scalp just yet. It is very itchy right now and I'm trying not to scratch it. I did wash and conditioner with the Aussie that I had mentioned before. The products that I'll be using in my hair is gonna be the Blue Magic, which I use everything around. My Sulfur 8, which is honestly the main ingredient that I use in my hair for the dandruff, the dry scalp, to try and make it go away as much as possible, as well as some olive oil spray. And I got this at Walmart, and I believe it's only like $4 to $5. And then I got this at the beauty supply store, which is $5, literally down the street. So what I usually do to try and get rid of my dandruff as much as I can is I will split my hair on the top and on the sides where I have it the most. So like for example, I try not to scratch my hair, but it's so itchy. Oh my God. It's so itchy everywhere. Okay, back to the video. So for example, or this is actually my hair right now, that it's cleaned and everything. So I got all the gunk out as much as I possibly could, but as soon as my hair dries, it's definitely gonna flake up if I literally just don't put anything at it, like put anything on the scalp at all. So what I'm gonna do is section it off. Like say I just do this side, and you can tell I've been using this. Grab some, and there is a disclaimer, if you decide to use this on your hair, it is medicated, so it will burn your scalp just a tad bit. The smell isn't too bad. I don't know if it's just because I got used to the smell, but for me it's not too bad. But what I'll do is I'll just put it all on here, and I'll just rub it in. Move on to the next section, wherever I usually do not part it out because I don't have the patience for that, but like where it's itchy the most is where I'll put it. And honestly, this thing works wonders. And I'll just massage it in there as much as I can. I get it here the most too. So I'll massage it in right here and in on the sides. And honestly, when you massage it, the product gets like everywhere around your head. So I'll just massage it all in here. Wherever I feel like it needs more is where I will put it. Yeah, my hair like feels better already, honestly. It feels way better. And to brush my hair, I'll be using my denim brush. I'll either be using a denim brush or a wide tooth comb. And I always start from the bottom and work my way up. And to style my hair after it's in this state, I'll of course put the olive oil in here. So I'll make sure it's literally on the scalp because I need the moisture back in here because it feels so dry. So I'll make sure this is all in my hair. And then, sorry, I can't. It's like my hair needed to breathe. All right. And now that my hair is like this, I'll be putting the Cantu in here just to lock it all in. This is really good for curly hair in my opinion. I use a lot of this, do a little bit of my baby hairs, and then that's pretty much it. Like if I want to put my hair up in a bun, or like today I'll probably put my hair up in a bun because like I want all this to stay in there and try and put moisture back in my hair. But these are the things that I use to try and get rid of my dry scalp / dandruff, whatever you want to call it. If you do this method and it works for you, definitely tag me in it. Let me see how your scalp is. If you have any different type of product that you guys use, definitely comment down below and let me know what it is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't wanna be your side. Whether be your